Mucho.
No, ¿por
Yes.
qué? A mí solo me gusta una chica.
¿Qué?
¿Sabes su nombre?
¿Qué chica?
Tú.
Sure. I'm moving to Spain next year, yeah?
¿Mm?
I'm moving to Spain next year.
Oh, fantastic.
Y todos mis
Is
amigas
close to me?
y amigos en España mover a Asia.
Me too.
Why? Can you
Because I
guys
want
stay
to
there?
live.
I don't have any more friends if all of my friends in Spain move to Asia. How about me? ¿Yo
Mi
qué?
madre va a Bali también.
¿Qué?
Mi madre va a Bali también.
Move to Bali? Your mom?
Yes?
Move!
No, move.
Oh.
Holidays.
Ok. Hola, suegra. No.
¿Cuál es el nombre de mi madre?
Yes?
¿Cuál es el nombre de mi madre?
Día de chocolate. Esther. Easter? Esther. Ok.
Esther. Ah, it's good.
Yes.
Did you remember?
I have a good memories, man.
Yes. Today is 8
No. Oh, yes. It's 9 for me.
in 9. Tomorrow your mother arrives
Ah, sí.
with a small sister. Not so small now.
¿Qué?
She's not so small now, I think.
No. She's 9. She's karate kid como tú.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
I have to speak with your small sister about the big sister.
little sister.
Little sister about the big sister. How to conquer? Conquer?
¿Conquista? ¿Conquista qué?
Conquistar a ti.
A ver, en inglés, cuando te dice, when you say conquer, it's mean fuck. In English.
Ah.
I wanna conquer you. I wanna conquistar tu coño. Don't use English.
What is the good expression?
No sé, ask ChatGPT. Why you ask me?
Yo quiero conquistarte.
Okay, in Spanish it's romántica, pero en inglés es porno, okay?
No, that's not good. That's not good.
Yes. Okay. 4
Me gusta
millones.
tu pelo, sí. Es
Yo
muy
le-
bonito.
¡Oh! Así, ahora sí.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's okay, I get new hair. That's the point.
You want money? Really? More money?
Sí, te eres tacaño.
No soy tacaño. No soy tacaño, but I'm not stupid.
Okay, you're not stupid. No hay problema. Tengo mi dinero.
Qué bonita eres. Why did you not marry with me the first day?
Huh?
You living in Madrid with my credit card, with everything.
I don't
No
want
problem.
I don't want BMW car, no me gusta. Yo quiero Rolls Royce.
What?
Pero I don't like Lamborghini. I don't like sport car. Pero Rolls Royce, solo Rolls Royce. Why you wanna marry me? Okay, come here. Let's go.
Yeah, but if you only want my money, you
No.
don't fall in love with me, then it's not good.
Así.
Because you know that wife or husband is the most important decision in the life.
Si quieres hablar de amor conmigo,
Sí.
pregunta. No, hacer, pero en serio, pregunta a mi ex. Yo ayudar a él con dinero. Cuando el pobre, yo en su lado. Pero en última, no es bueno. Nuestra relación no es buena. Pero mi personalidad será novia. Dinero. Dinero,
¿Eres buena novia?
dinero sí, importante, pero para mí sí. Sí tiene. Ok. I'm not picky, ok? Si. If you loyal to me, you know,
Yes.
if you don't have wandering eyes. Oh, esa chica, sigue. Tú eres suerte. Porque. No, en serio. The way I behave when I was a girlfriend. Puedo cocina, cooking, limpiar, massage.
You know that I told you that I only one girl in my life? Only one.
No.
But it was not enough. My heart is still broken.
Oh, your heart's still broken. Entonces go get it 2 girls.
2? Oh.
Or 3.
One is enough. No, one is enough. Oh, no.
No, one is not enough. If one not available, another one is ready.
No.
Yes.
No. I only like one.
¿Quién
I
es?
only want the one.
Oh. Rusa chica. Hey. Russian. You like Russian?
No.
Yes. You say you like Russian. Muchas
I don't like Russian.
Many Russian in Spain.
I think.
Yes.
But I think many Russian around the world, not only in Spain.
Yes. No sé. Adiós. Tengo sueño.
Okay, no problem. Think about if you wanna marry with me, okay? You can answer tomorrow morning.
¿Tú eres en serio?
¿Yo?
Sí.
¿Por qué? ¿Tú quieres casarte?
Pero no puedo casarme contigo, Fernando, porque no te amo.
No me amas, entonces no nos casamos.
Okay, where are we